Today is second day of Navratri, which is the second day of Durga form of Navratri. I am going to present a song on Goddess Meenakshi, written by Papanasam Shivan in the Ragam Keeravani. Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Vaal Meenalochani 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 Devi Devadi Devan Sundareshan Vadi Devan Sundareshan Devadi Devan Sundareshan Chittam Kavar Bhuvana Sundari Amba Devadi Devan Sundareshan Chittam Kavar Bhuvana Sundari Amba Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Vaal Meenalochani Devi Malayadvajan Madhavame Kanchana Malai Pudalvi Maharagni Malayadvajan Madhavame Kanchana Malai Pudalvi Maharagni Alai Magal Kalai Magal Panikkeeravani Amudinuminiya Muttamil Valartha Alai Magal Kalai Magal Panikkeeravani Amudinuminiya Muttamil Valartha Alai Magal Kalai Magal Panikkeeravani Amudinuminiya Muttamil Valartha Devi Niye Tunai Ten Madurai Vaal Meenalochani Devi